Assalomu alaykum, qadrli kuzatuvchilar. Bugun sizlar bilan birgalikda question words mavzusini o'tamiz, ya'ni so'roq so'zlar. Asosiy so'roq so'zlarga what, who, where, when, why, which, was, how kiradi. What nima, who kim, where qayerda, when qachon, why nega, nimaga, which qaysi, was kimning, how qanday. Masalan, what is your name? Who is she? Where do you live? When will you come? Why are you sad? Which color do you like? What book is this? How are you? Ushbu yozilgan so'zlarni tarjimasini menga yozib yuboring. Bugungi darsimiz shulardan iborat edi. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha xayr, sog' bo'ling.